Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Xbox app slow download speed on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select Windows Update. Scroll down and select advanced options. Scroll down and select delivery optimization. You just need to make sure to turn off this option guys. Allow downloads from other devices. After turning off just close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type Xbox. Right click on the Xbox app and select app settings. Scroll down and select the terminate option and select the repair option. Select the reset option. After getting reset done, just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now check my video description for these two commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both commands, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.